Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving headfirst into something we literally all rely on, but almost never actually think about. We're unpacking the incredibly complex, behind the scenes technology that powers DHL's global operations. I mean, seriously, how does your package arrive so incredibly fast? You know the feeling, right? You click order online and boom, it just appears on your doorstep a day or two later. But behind that single little click is this deeply hidden, highly choreographed logistics journey. It is basically a giant puzzle. Which brings us to our first topic, the global logistics giant, the absolute scale of DHL. So, the blueprint for their entire massive operation really just boils down to three absolutely crucial goals. Number one, work faster. Number two, reduce mistakes. And number three, improve customer satisfaction. Literally every single piece of hardware and software we're about to explore is designed specifically to hit those three targets. Okay, let's move right along to inside the smart warehouse, preparing your order. Picture this for a second. Imagine a vital box of temperature-sensitive medicine. To protect something that important, DHL uses what's called the Internet of Things, or IoT. Basically, it's this incredibly dense network of tiny sensors actively tracking the temperature, the location, and the overall condition of the goods. It guarantees that sensitive items stay absolutely pristine from the very second they hit the warehouse shelf. But, keeping things safe, that's really only half the battle. Think about the sheer mind-boggling volume of boxes they handle. Look, we are only human, right? Human fatigue and minor errors are just inevitable over a long shift. But warehouse robots? They can carry incredibly heavy loads endlessly without breaking a sweat. So it's really all about automation, exponentially speeding up that sorting process while simultaneously driving errors right down to zero. Next up, let's talk about the brains of delivery, AI and route planning. So once that box finally leaves the warehouse, artificial intelligence steps in and basically takes the wheel. And this happens in three main steps. Step one is predicting demand, which lets DHL prep way in advance. Step two is planning the absolute fastest, most efficient route possible for the drivers. And step three is all about aggressive cost saving. By knowing exactly what's coming, the AI just completely strips away any wasted time. It is a total game changer. Now let's shift gears to tracking and customer control, your digital experience. While all that complex AI is working behind the scenes, you, the customer, are just waiting. But thanks to GPS and barcode scanning, you aren't just waiting in the dark anymore. Every single package gets a unique tracker. This means you can see exactly where your shipment is at any given moment. It totally eliminates the guesswork. And that amazing transparency extends right to your phone. Customer service tech, things like their dedicated apps, websites, and chatbots, they put you directly in control of the whole shebang. Like, need to adjust a delivery time on the fly because you suddenly have to run out? You can do it instantly. All right, finally, let's look at the future of shipping. Innovations in the sky. Now, this is where it gets really, really fascinating. I'm talking about delivery to remote areas. Obviously, normal vehicles really struggle in tough terrains, so DHL is out there actively testing drones. There's no way around it. It's brilliant. They bypass the roads entirely, quickly dropping small packages into places that honestly used to be a complete logistical nightmare. It's bridging that final, most difficult gap. So all of this brings us to one final thought. What technology will actually deliver your next package?
I mean, from IoT-connected warehouses and tireless robots to predictive AI and those experimental drones, these deeply integrated systems are exactly what make modern operations so lightning fast. So next time you click Order, maybe take a second and ask yourself, which of these crazy technologies just sprang into action specifically for you? Well, thanks so much for joining me for this explainer today, and I'll catch you on the next one.